Hello beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back sis. So in today's video, I will be doing a tutorial and a review of the new Huda Beauty Brown Chocolate Palette. So I picked up this palette during the Sephora Rouge sale or VIB sale, whatever you want to call it. I saw it was actually in my recommended. It's like I feel like Sephora, like they send me emails. we're here, okay? We're on the same wavelength. They put this in my inbox and I put it in my cart and I checked out with it, and I'm actually very happy that I did. So the palette here, as you can see, the palette comes with 9 shades. You have 5 matte shades as well as 4 shimmer shades. 2 of those shades have other like dual colors inside of them as well. I believe that just complements the underlying shade that's in the pan. Listen, don't quote me on this. I'm not a makeup formulator or anything like that. This is just an educated guess, but that's how I feel. The colors swatch beautifully, and I predict that I'm gonna be able to make so many versatile looks with this palette. So enough of my ranting. Without any further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. I'm gonna start with this brown shade right here. I'm gonna put that into the crease. Oh, nice. It's very pigmented. Just using circular motions back and forth. I am excited about this palette. This is so cute. There are some very pretty colors in here. So we have that first color down. Now it's for the fun colors. So now I'm going to take a flat brush and I am going to pack on this gold copper color right here. Such a pretty color. Oh my goodness. And just put that on the inner third of the eye. Oh, it's so stunning. This is so pretty. I am taking this palette with me to Punta Cana. I'm definitely gonna do some nice nighttime looks with this. This is such a pretty color. Oh, I love it. Same thing on the other side. You see that? So cute. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to take this shimmery dark brown from the top left-hand corner or top right-hand corner. I'm gonna put that on the outer edge of the lid, the outer third, and just blend these 2 colors together. So pretty. You can get a lot of looks out of this palette. Like you can get some sultry looks, you can get some like daytime wearable looks. Oh man, I just see myself using this all summer long. This is gonna be my summertime bae. I have a couple trips planned this summer, so it's so small and compact. Like this palette is like so good for travel. So good for travel. And I feel like you have everything you need. All right, so now I'm gonna go into the crease with the darkest brown in the palette and blend those shadows all together. We're just gonna deepen it a little bit, not too much. Oh yeah. Okay, this is so pretty. I don't even feel like I need a liner. So now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back and do the lower lash line. All right guys, so I have applied my base. This base is actually the review for the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. Just kind of luminous matte, but okay. Luminous Matte Foundation. If you want to see that review, that will be the tutorial or the next video coming up, or within the next couple of uploads. So make sure that you subscribe so that if you aren't already, so that you can catch that video. So back to the task at hand. We're gonna finish the eyes. So now we're gonna take and right under the brow bone, right? So where that brown is, I'm gonna go in with this color brown here, blend up here, blend out that medium brown. All right, so now we're gonna go and work on the lower lash line. I am going to take that same medium brown color that we used in the upper crease area, and I'm going to place that first on the lower lash line. So now I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush with the deepest brown shade from the palette, and I'm gonna put that right at my lower lash line, right in the lash, just to deepen it up. All right, so if you'd like, now you can go in with a liner. I am not gonna go in with a liner because it makes my eyes water very badly. So I'm just gonna go in with a healthy dose of mascara. By the way, these are at-home lash extensions. If you'd like to see how I installed them on myself and you'd like a tutorial on that, be sure to comment that down below. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Citrine Rose. Just gonna put that on the balls of my cheeks. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of glow with my Lightworks palette by Danessa Myricks. I'm gonna use the shade, I'm gonna mix chocolate milk and honey glazed. All right, so for my lips, I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. This is super old. I don't even know if they still sell this. All right, guys, this is the final look. I love it. I love this palette.
I love it. I love it.
I was in high school.
I love this palette so far. Let's talk about how well it blended. It blended super well. I only had one instance where it felt a little patchy, but that was because I had reapplied some of my base and it was still wet. But even still, I was able to blend it out very easily. This was a super quick eye look and it was very effortless. Like, these colors mesh so well together and they blend so well together. And they're so complimentary on brown skin girls. Oh my God. This is like the most universal palette. I love Huda Beauty palettes. I have another small palette. I think it's like the Sunset one. The Obsessions palette, the Sunset one, I believe it is. I can't remember, but I have that one. I love that one as well for vacations, but this is gonna be my new bae for the summer. So my favorite shades are gonna be this shimmery one here. Can you see? And this one here. They have like these little specks of almost like maroon, red, burgundy type specks in it. I don't know, that just does something. I know when it's on the eye, it just shines so brilliantly and then they blend so beautifully together. So I love this palette. Honestly, if you're looking for an everyday palette that can transform and you can use it for nighttime as well, I think this is great. So you got my stamp of approval here. I love this thing. If you enjoyed this video and you like what you saw and you want to see more videos from me in the future, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're alerted with all of my future uploads, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.